It's time for real estate ride, and I'm actually parked today and not driving. So, but quickly, I had a client reach out this week and chat a little bit about property maintenance and just a few items that he was wondering whether or not he should do and invest in. And it really got me thinking about every dollar that we spend on maintaining our property, whether it's our primary residence or an investment property, is all contributing to a future return on investment. When the time comes that you decide to sell, there's a good portion of those investment dollars that you're going to spend on maintenance items or updates throughout the life of you owning the home that's going to come back to you as a return on investment when you sell. So I challenge everybody, even though sometimes maintenance and investments and dollars that we spend on our home seem overwhelming, keep in mind it is an investment and it's going to come back to us as a return on investment. Have a great day.